How to fix Adidas Confirmed app not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First and foremost, make sure that your application is updated. Head over to your Play Store, at the search bar type in Adidas Confirm, and if you see update, tap on to update. If you see open, you can leave that as it is and head over to your settings. Under here, scroll below onto apps. And here search for Confirmed or Adidas Confirm. For instance, if this is my Adidas Confirm app, tap onto Storage and here clear the data. Before that, make sure that you know your credentials, then tap on Delete. Once done, you have to tap on Force Stop under App Info page and tap on OK. And once you do all that, see if this fixes your Adidas Confirm app not working problem in your device. If it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall that application and reinstall it again. And that will definitely fix your problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, like this video and subscribe to our channel.